Ion nitriding technology.
Plastic injection molding is a versatile manufacturing process where molten plastic is injected into a mold cavity to create intricate and precise three-dimensional shapes. Almost all of the everyday plastics around us are manufactured using this method of production. However, the tools crucial to the process, such as molds, screws, cores, and ejector pins, face substantial challenges. Continuous exposure to high temperatures, abrasive materials, and repeated cycles induces wear, leading to issues like surface degradation, stress fractures, and reduced tool lifespan. Ion nitriding is a surface treatment that significantly enhances the surface hardness and lowers the friction coefficient, and these improvements greatly reduce the abrasive wear of the tools. Some of the most common steel grades used are 4142, P20 or similar, though in some cases even H13 tool steels or nitriding steel grades might be needed for higher surface hardness. The increased surface hardness and in-depth hardness achieved through ion nitriding greatly increases the life of the tools and lowers the downtime costs. The resilience and durability of these tools are paramount for maintaining the precision and quality of plastic injection molding outputs. We at Ionitech bring high-quality technology and focus on expertise and deep commitment to your success. We go beyond providing solutions, we build partnerships. Your success is our mission.
Ionitech. Technology, solutions, expertise.